Ladies and gentlemen, today we're looking at Microsoft Excel and LibreOffice Calc. We want to know which one of these tools are better. I'm going to open up with the designed Microsoft Excel. Probably doesn't know how to use all of its features. That's how powerful Microsoft Excel is. And through the years that Microsoft Excel has been developed and updated, you can only imagine what a powerful software suite just Microsoft Excel is without any of its extra add-ins, such as its AI-powered tools. So Microsoft 365 Copilot, which is now called 365 Copilot, is now embedded inside Excel, which automates your data cleaning, complex formula generations, trend identifications, and reports creations, saving you time and reducing errors. It also allows you to organize, analyze, and visualize with your data with pivot tables, charts, conditional formatting, and it's got the built-in Power Query for business intelligence. You can also use VBA macros and Power Automate, which integrate to streamline repetitive tasks and tailor your workflow to your unique project needs. It is also widely used for financial modeling, budgeting, project tracking, CRM, marketing, analytics, and operational reporting across enterprises and SMBs. Having a look over here, 750 plus global users. It's the most popular spreadsheet software worldwide. It's trusted by over 80% of businesses for critical data tasks. It also has 100% seamless integrations. So you can work with Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, and this is only the tip of the iceberg. It's got tons more integrations. It automatically updates delivery cutting edges features such as AI Copilot, Power Pivot, and the enhanced data visualization, and this is all without extra costs. Having a look at the cost over here, so included in your Microsoft 365 subscription, Excel will offer all of these powerful capabilities without any additional software purchases. It's ideal for organizations pretty much of any size, and specifically if you are wanting to work in a team, especially if your team is divided, this is great because you can sync everything in real time. Okay, jumping into LibreOffice Calc now. Okay, it supports complex formulas, pivot tables, and scenario analysis with its intuitive interface, which is similar to Excel, but it makes data manipulation seamless and more efficient. It features Solver for optimization problems, Data Pilot for dynamic data integration, and an extensive statistical function library for comprehensive analysis. You can see over here you get flexible macro support. So the macro ability allows you to automate repetitive tasks using the LibreOffice Basic, Python, JavaScript, Bean Shell, all for enhanced productivity and workflow optimization. Some of their versatile use cases include financial modeling and budgeting, business analytics and reporting, academic research and education, and small to medium enterprise data management, all in all. Having a look over here, there is a zero cost to LibreOffice Calc. Yes, it's completely free. It's open source. It eliminates licensing fees and subscription costs. It's great for individuals, nonprofits, budget-conscious organizations. It is open. It has open standards, so it's native support for open document formats, ODF, which is great for broad Microsoft Excel compatibility. It ensures seamless collaboration across pretty much any platform. You get regular updates. It's backed by a global community, which ensures transparency, regular and rapid bug fixes, and continuous feature improvements. It likes privacy first, so you get full data control without any cloud dependency or telemetry tracking. And then it can also run on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, all seamlessly. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So many options to choose from. The key takeaway here is to go and try the software for yourself and see what actually works in a real life scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.